Behold a seismic shift in the global economic landscape. For the first time in 2 decades, the United States has surpassed China as Taiwan's main export market. A change catalyzed by the booming demand for microchips and AI technology, this shift marks a significant milestone in Taiwan's economic trajectory. In the early 2000s, China claimed the title of Taiwan's top export market. This was an era defined by the rise of China's manufacturing sector and its insatiable appetite for Taiwan's advanced silicon wafers, powering everything from e-vehicles to satellites and even fighter jets. But as we fast forward to August 2003, the United States emerges as a key player in Taiwan's export market for the first time. Fast forward again to December 2024. Taiwan exported $8.49 billion worth of products to the United States, outpacing the $8.28 billion worth of goods exported to mainland China, a trend that continued until March 2024, when exports to the United States surged by 65% to $9.11 billion, a 6% jump, while mainland China received $7.99 billion worth of goods. However, it's crucial to note that these figures exclude Hong Kong. When combined with mainland tallies, China still holds its position as the top destination for Taiwanese goods. The recent US tilt can be attributed to the global reorganization of electronics and ICT supply chains, coupled with the rising popularity of the AI industry. This shift was also driven by the strategic economic policies of Taiwanese President Tsai Ing-wen, who, since her rise to power in 2016, has been working to strengthen economic ties with the United States, recognizing Washington as a crucial partner amidst China's increasing aggressiveness. To summarize, the shift in Taiwan's main export market from China to the United States is a story of evolving global economic dynamics. It's a narrative shaped by the rise of AI technology, the reorganization of global supply chains, and the strategic economic policies of Taiwan's leadership. As we move forward, it will be fascinating to see how this shift continues to impact Taiwan's economy and its position within the global economic landscape.